In this video, I will show you how to create a professional resume in Canva and a key layout adjustment most people miss. Let's get started. I'll start on the Canva templates page. I can browse through various categories, but I'm going to click directly on the resume category to see the full selection. There are so many great designs to choose from, ranging from creative to professional. I'll scroll through the options until I find a layout that fits my personal brand. This brown and white modern executive template looks perfect. I'll click on it and then select Customize this template to open it in the editor. Once it loads, I like to zoom in so I can see the details clearly. First, I'm going to update the color scheme. I'll select the name at the top and pick a new color from the palette. A great tip is to use the Change All button at the bottom. This instantly updates that color across the entire document, saving me a ton of time. I'll do the same for the smaller text elements to keep the entire design consistent. Now, here is the adjustment many people overlook. Often, templates place contact information at the very bottom, but I want mine right at the top for easy access. I'll select that bottom contact block, change the background color to keep it minimalist, and then drag the entire group up to place it directly under my name and title. Now that the header is set, I need to rearrange the rest of the content blocks. I'll shift the academic background and career history sections upward to fill the empty space left at the bottom. While I'm at it, I'll widen the text boxes and align the dates to make the layout feel more spacious and readable. Precision is key here, so I'll take a moment to make sure all my margins and text boxes are perfectly centered. Now I'll move down to the core skills and certification sections. I'm going to swap some elements around to improve the flow, ensuring the progress bars and certification details are neatly organized. I'll continue making small adjustments to the spacing between each section, making sure the overall document feels balanced and easy to scan. I'll finish up by double-checking the alignment of my bullet points and text blocks one last time. Finally, I'll zoom out to review the full page and ensure the hierarchy looks cohesive. Taking the extra time to reorganize your template's layout ensures your most important information is seen first. I hope this helps you create a resume that truly stands out.